First and foremost, we are a French dip sandwich shop. It's got to be the perfect French dip every single time. I mean, you start as like a TikTok chef, and then technically I'm in charge of this kitchen, which feels very weird.
Oh, hey.
How we doing?
Big fan, man.
Thank you. Come.
Oh, you got to,
It's opening day.
Go. What could be improved today?
Nothing. Our French dip, I think, is a very special kind of French dip. Prime rib we chose because it's just the best meat to use for this sandwich. There's a meat delivery happening right now. Yeah. This is Pat LaFrida, kingpin of meat. This is all the world's best prime rib roast. As you can tell, salting right there. Sulf.
We ordered 150, we got 151 pounds of prime rib.
Do you want us to cut one in half? You should see the marbling on this. It's a ribeye steak, but it's the long, like whole actual rib roast.
Big piece of meat, so it can take a lot of salt.
We cook it with the compound butter. It's garlic herb compound butter. We rub the entire rib roast. We throw it in the oven, let it slow roast. Then we chill it so that we can put it through the deli slicer. And then we can shave it really, really, really thin. This is like tender ass meat shaved so thinly, it's like a baby could bite through it with no teeth.
Taste everything, kids. Oh my God. The man is here.
How long did it take to get to this day, opening day?
My whole like life. I mean, this is all I've wanted to do. All right, should we just start tearing this off? Opening day, finally got to tear the paper off the windows. And then the light actually flowing in, seeing the restaurant in all its glory. Feels very good. I'm relatively confident in our, ability to make this work. This is a French dip sandwich. The first time I made this on camera was like 5 or so years ago. You can tell it's like an old video where I like didn't know how to use a camera that well, and I was like still learning how to like make videos and stuff. But it was like one of my first videos. It's very solitary when you're cooking and filming by yourself, and then you take a bite and say something, and then you're just alone again. And that sandwich was so like stupid good.
This beef juice is crazy.
It was just something that I knew I needed to like lock in on. We opened here, which was terrifying. The whole entire area is filled with some of the best restaurants in the world. Our next door neighbor is John's of Bleecker Street, one of the most legendary pizza places. What's up, boys? So there was this like daunting aspect of like, who does this TikToker think he is, opening a restaurant in the most prime location in the world and then like serving a sandwich that he made on the internet? Like, what the hell is he doing? It's crazy. I'm gonna have to just kind of ignore that noise and just do it anyway and see what happens. Chef, will you grab me 2 baguettes? Oh, never mind. Never mind. Wow, that was fast. How'd you do that? Baguette, aioli, meat, soaked in au jus, onions spread thinly, not thinly, very thickly over the meat. And then the cheese, we throw that in the oven, melts, gets nice and caramelized, more aioli, bread on top. That's a sandwich cut in half. It gets dunked in the au jus, and you eat the living hell out of that sandwich. And for like the last 7 years, I've just been developing the same recipe like over and over and over and over and over again.
Oh, bread's here. Guys, here it is. The freshly baked baguette from Frenchette.
Bread makes the sandwich. It's the most important factor of the entire sandwich. We are using demi baguettes from Frenchette, sourdough baguettes. I spent a lot of time looking for the right baguette, and it was not easy. I spent like 3 months just wandering around New York City going to like the top ranked bakeries. I set up a little scoring system of like fluffiness, how much au jus could it soak up? the texture, the aesthetic of it, and then flavor, obviously. And we would rank them out of 5 stars, add up the stars. Luckily, we stumbled across French Head. It's perfect. Our supplier can only supply us with like 200 to 300 sandwiches a day. And we want more, but they're like, no, we're not gonna compromise the quality of our baguette. Like, you can't scale and expect other people to care about your product as much as you do. I literally can't give any of the credit for making this amount of French dips this high quality to myself at all. This is King Mateo, absolute legend. Our team, the chemistry is impeccable. There you go, chef. Thank you. Chef Gary just dials in the operations of how to most efficiently build the sandwich and like get it done in the oven. That's just like, how did you even think of that? But the king of the kitchen is Chef Daniel.
Oh God, this is looking beautiful.
He's the happiest, just most upbeat dude of all time.
Something to write home about right here.
On top of that, he's also like a complete legendary veteran in the industry. He's way too overqualified to be here. I learn something every 2 seconds. I'll just watch Chef Daniel do something that I'm like, should have been doing that my whole life. So, thanks, Chef. He is the backbone of this kitchen, and I just kind of follow what he does. Like, literally, why would you not have like a little bowl of juice that you could dip your sandwich in and make it better immediately? Grilled cheese and tomato soup, like, dip your sandwiches. Au jus, side of cup of juice. What is it? Side of juice?
With juice.
With juice, yeah. Every sandwich should be with juice. This is Chef Daniel's genius idea, and then you get piping hot au jus right out the iced tea container. It's perfect. The ingredients that go into the au jus, I gotta be a little kind of careful about.
Got some celery here for you.
We start with the mirepoix, we put the carrots, onion, celery, we saute the living hell out of those for a long time, and we pour the beef stock in with that, let that reduce a lot. And then we add one final secret ingredient that I will not disclose on camera right now, I'm sorry.
Cheers of joy.
Fresh products, man. Remember that.
You know how you cut onions without crying?
Make somebody else do.
Yeah, make somebody else do.
Each sandwich is 2 full onions. Wait, it sounds crazy, but like they reduce a lot.
Probably go through about 400 onions a day.
These take like 6 hours to caramelize. You have to spend 6 hours on onions if you want them to be this good. So like there are these like all day caramelized onions with tons of butter and salt and fat and Worcestershire and stuff like that. So they turn from like an onion this size to like this much onion. So we use 2 big onions at least per sandwich, beyond caramelized. Ready? Opening the doors. Day 1, let's f***ing go. Come on, boys. Rally up, let's do this. All right. First dude showed up at 8:30 in the morning. We don't open till 11.
Are you a big fan of his?
I'm a big, huge fan. I see on Instagram all the sandwiches you've made, and to be here right now to try it, I know it's gonna be good. I know it's gonna be good.
Slowly it started to build, and then eventually it was like around the block. Seeing the line outside, and it was like this like crazy like, oh my God, it's happening moment. Like this is about to go down. We're gonna see if this is gonna work or not right now. We're open, let's go! French tips, let's do this. All right. And then I, like a dummy, was just open the doors. We hadn't made any sandwiches yet. It was like, all right, we're open for business. And they just stormed the gates. Is it printing? Yeah, first ticket. There she is.
French dip combo fries.
French dip combo fries all day. Let's go. Let's make sure we make them the best sandwich they've ever had in their entire lives. Let's do this. So look at that cross section, baby. First sandwich ever. Let's go. All right, brother. Enjoy your first French dip. Thank you so much. Good? He said it's good. It's worth it. He said it's good. It's good. We're good to go. Let's go. Keep going, baby. Come on, come on, come on.
They did a phenomenal job. Seeing it, you know, through my phone, being here with them, eating it, it's a privilege.
Okay, welcome to YouTube video number 1. Thank you for tuning in, first of all. Second of all, food is like the only thing I care about. I watched 9 hours of food media a day, I would say, for like 20 years. Obviously Food Network first, and then like Parts Unknown, shows like that. Digital media came out, and like Maddie Matheson, like my heroes on YouTube, and I would just spend my entire day watching those videos. I had like a sales job for a year, I think, after college. And I think I sent like 3 emails the entire year. I thought I was wasting my time. I was like, I'm just like slacking off right now. But I was secretly somehow studying. And a little bit of sriracha and do a little dance. Uh-oh, do it. Kind of propelled me so quickly into being good at it. Okay, I know what angles to hit. I know how to cook. I'll just go do this and see if it works.
Oh, it's so good.
I think it was my 3rd video, got like millions of views. Eventually I noticed things were getting like, that was so satisfying comments. And you just build this like repertoire of things that you know people are gonna love. The original formula is like, make the sandwich, do the big crunchy bite, make some stupid comment about how awesome the sandwich is.
Oh my God.
And then show how you make the sandwich. My videos just started to go like, you know, bonkers.
Here's one of the best sandwiches in the f***ing universe. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're gonna sell out soon. We're about to sell out. All right.
Turnout was good. We sold out. It was tad hectic. I was expediter station for the first like half of the day. I was screwing up all the tickets. 2 fries, 4 sandwiches, 5 drinks. Yeah. The wait times for the sandwiches were kind of long, but the response was so loving and beautiful. What's been so incredible is when we moved into this space, there's like this amazing community of restaurant owners and chefs that like all just support the living hell out of each other. For instance, the other day we ran out of provolone. Ran over to FICO's and gave us a giant mountain of provolone. And they were like, here, take this and bring us some French dip later. FICO's like open since like 1922 or something. You'd think they'd be like, F you. Honestly, like I would be like that. Come by for a sandwich, by the way. We're opening today. Thank you so much. Like I moved from California and opened the restaurant. I was like, these motherfuckers are gonna hate me. But wonderful community. I've never felt anything like it in my entire life.
Awesome. How we doing? Cheers. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
My brother was the one to turn me on to having to get this for me for Christmas.
Oh, no.
So he doesn't know this, but I was coming over here to see if he could get it.
Oh, that's incredible.
Missed you, man. I had a dentist appointment in Woodstock, so let me shoot over there and grab one.
We just
How
sold
fast,
out.
huh?
And he left without me.
If this works, I'm gonna stay here forever. I mean, I love this more than anything in the world.